I'm Gabriel Carballal, farmer from Uruguay. This is a nice wheat field here in Uruguay. Really nice crop. As usual, we are having problems with the moisture. This is the size of a crack in these soils here in Uruguay. On the other side of the road, we have cover crop just terminated with glyphosate and ready for being planted probably in 30 days from now with soybean. This is the cover crop. It is barley. There you have the residue left from the previous harvest. This was second crop soybean. And this is Brassica carinata. It is a rapeseed that we use for aviation fuel. You can see the characteristic of this crop. It is insane. This is the new type of crops we are planting. We have in our toolbox. This is a winter crop, so it shares with wheat, barley, oats, ryegrass, and this new bioeconomy will probably push these crops ahead. Really interesting.